Hi guys, welcome to our channel. To get knowledge about space and universe, please subscribe to our channel. Dear friends, a small request from our team. We are very new to this YouTube and this is our first video also. So please encourage us by subscribing to our channel and please like, share and comment for the better videos.
There are many theories regarding space, about its formation, about galaxies' formation and existence of them, etc. In those, the main theories are the incredible bulk, time's arrow, the Nernst habit, Big Bang theory. These all theories, the most popular one is Big Bang theory. So let us now know about Big Bang theory. Big Bang theory. It is an explosion or expansion. Second one is correct, that is expansion. This theory was proposed by a Belgian priest in 1920s. His name was George Lemaitre. First of all, what is Big Bang? Big Bang is a rapid expansion from a point smaller than atom to the observable universe within a time that we can't able to imagine. About 13.8 billion years ago, the observable universe went boom and expanded into being. It was 10 billion degrees of C with neutrons, protons, electrons, anti-electrons, photons and neutrons. Stars and other heavenly bodies are born with clouds of dust and scattered. This group of stars are known as galaxies. There are approximately 2 trillion galaxies. Not only galaxies, meteoroids, asteroids, planets, etc. are formed after Big Bang. The temperature until 100 seconds of Big Bang is 1 billion degrees Celsius. We would see universe cooling because of neutrons either decaying into protons or electrons or combining with protons to make deuterium. At present, the universe temperature is 270.27 degrees Celsius. Sir Stephen Hawking, a famous cosmologist, predicted that the universe goes on cools and cools. At absolute 0 degrees Celsius, it freezes and no movement can be seen. Do you think it is possible? Maybe. I don't know. Now, the age of universe is 13.8 billion years. If you want to know about all these things, we need a telescope. That should not be like our binoculars or a magnifying glass. It should be very powerful. At present, the most powerful telescope is Hubble telescope. It was launched on 24th April 1990 in Florida. It was named after the scientist Edwin Hubble. The Hubble telescope makes one orbit around the Earth for every 95 minutes. The Hubble telescope's lifetime is getting over. It helped the world to know clearly about the universe. So, what next? It is James Webb Space Telescope, even more powerful than Hubble telescope. It is expected to launch on October 31st, 2021. Now, let us know some recent discoveries by Hubble telescope. In August 2020, the Hubble located a new galaxy named AUDF01, 9.3 billion light years away from the Earth. In Jan 8, 2020, Holy Cow named project expressed their excitement over Hubble telescope for measuring the universe expansion rate. In April 3, 2020, Hubble says the universe expansion is not same in all directions. June 3, 2020, Hubble tells the stars are formed far before as we think. Now let us know 3 important missions of NASA about space. First one, Cosmic Background Explorer in 1992, Wilkinson's Microwave Antistrophy Probe in July 1st, 2001. Finally, Planck. It is led by European Space Agency from NASA in 2009. It is all just to know. We will make a separate videos about these all topics. So many people had a doubt. Is Big Bang happened or not? Let us see a few laws stating that Big Bang is true. First one, redshift of galaxies. It was stated by Hubble. Hubble said that all galaxies are moving from each other. Second one, Penn physics. Expansion leads to cooling. As we know, universe is expanding and its temperature is cooling. Finally, third one, mix of elements. That's all for now guys. Stay tuned for our channel for more interesting videos. Please like, share, comment for our videos. Please subscribe so that you can't miss any video. Thank you. Bye.